Greetings, most beloved brothers and sisters of the light. I am the Archangel Uriel. And I am the overlighting Archangel of all of the nature kingdoms. The plants, the animals, the oceans, the birds. Every system of nature upon the earth is under my care. The air elements, the water elements, it is all one beautiful sphere of life that must be kept in harmony. The human family has lost their way. They have stepped out of the circle of the family. They have forgotten that every sphere of life in the great chain, from the minerals to the plants, to the animals, to the elementals, every living thing has consciousness. It is not true that man was given control over the lower kingdoms, as you call them. Indeed, it is quite the reverse. Humanity was placed upon this earth in order to be stewards, to be guardians, to be the caregivers, if you will, the gardeners, who take care of every being that lives in the garden. With your technologies, you have caused great toxicity and pollution upon this beautiful Mother Earth, who truly is the mother of all life forms who live upon her body. Much harm has been caused to the plant people, the animal people. There has been much destruction, even amongst the rock crystal with extensive mining. The rock people, the crystal people. And it is time now upon this planet to put this right. This is the purpose of the great pandemic that is now causing humans to review. How am I living my life? What harm am I causing to Mother Earth and her children? And how can I put it right? Now, beloved ones, even though so many of the humans, by their unconscious behavior, are causing harm to the animal kingdom, to the tree people cutting down the great forests, to the ocean people polluting the waters, to the insects and birds of the air, polluting the air. Still, those beings of the other realms, the other kingdoms, are most willing to be of service to awakening humanity, so that the earth may be restored, that humans may awaken and fulfill their true contract to be the stewards of the earth. And so they do offer themselves as your guides, what is termed power animals, because each one has a quality, a gift to share, just by the nature of their being, the ways that they have developed in order to survive. Each one has a gift which they are now very ready and willing to share with you. So whatever quality you need in your life at this time, whether it is courage, inner knowing, protection, whatever it is, I will now guide you on a journey to meet the power animals, the plant people, the mineral people, the tree people, who are ready to be of service to you at this time of powerful change upon the earth plane. So let us begin.